This is a Crypt 2 puzzle. It was designed and made by Yu Asaka from Japan. Difficulty level of the Crypt 2 puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to put both parts inside the frame. The Crypt 2 puzzle is available at puzzlemaster.ca. Click the subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles. The Crypt 2 puzzle has 2 parts and a frame, and there are 2 openings, one here, another one here. This opening is a little bit larger, this one is a little bit smaller. And 2 parts, they have a little bit different size. This one is a little bit shorter, this one is a little bit taller. The taller part won't fit through this opening, so it's obvious that you have to put it through this one, and the smaller part goes through this opening. But when you try to put both parts inside, you will find that it is not possible to put both of them all the way inside, since this puzzle has a little trick that you have to discover, and only then you will be able to solve it. If you like the Crypt 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.